Since 2017, OVK has been a proud and loyal supporter of Free State Rugby, and in August they extended their sponsorship for another 2 years. We also had a chance to tag along OVK ambassador Carl Wagner as he and various other Free State sports teams humbly received their brand new Toyotas from OVK.
This is an annual special occasion because we have partnered with some of the most amazing partnerships in the Free State, and therefore once again also with the Free State Cheetahs. It makes just sense to sponsor you guys with vehicles so that we know that our players get safely to their training and to their games. So once again, it's just our way of showing you that we appreciate you, we want to partner with you, and we look forward to a great season with you guys. I think the association for us is very important because OVK is on the Platteland and we support Platteland, and therefore this is just a showcase of our partnerships, and we look forward to just growing from here on out.
Onthou nou net, die volgende wat ek en jy saam op 'n foto is, wil met die Karibeker wees, hoor?
Ja, maar dan maak ons 'n deal.
Ek het so 'n klein dogtertjie by die huis wat baie teleurgesteld gaan wees, hoor.
Ja, sy sal kom. Ons gaan hom kry vir jou.
Baie
dankie.
baie.
Dankie vir al julle tyd vir ons altyd. Ons waardeer dit.
Ja, nee, maak ons trots en is lekker om vir julle te kom kyk. En geluk met daai Georgia ook na aandag. Ons gaan baie geniet.
Daai was groot.
Hou op baie standaard.
Ja, ons gaan hom so gooi. Baie dankie.
Waardeer
julle, hoor.
Okay, cool.
Ja, kom. Maar ek sal met jou praat.
Ja, nee, hierdie is baie nice, outomaties. Nou gaan ons 'n bietjie beter ry. Baie dankie julle OVK. Ons waardeer dit baie, hoor.